What's up, guys? Thank y'all for checking out this new location video. We're leaving Sam's. This is what we are going to be bringing into the two new vending machines. We got a snack and a drink machine. We are switching out all the labels right here. These are the newer labels. These are the older ones right here. And one thing about this machine, it hasn't been used in a while, so it was at 65 cents. So we're going to have to program all of them. I know it's going to be showing $3. We're not charging $3 for the little cans, but on the Monster Energy and the Starbucks right there, they are going to be $3. Next thing, the coin mech. You need to make sure that your coin mechanism always has change. This one does not have any change at all, as you can see. But now that we've wrapped it up with the soda machine, we're going to go ahead and go on to the snack machine. The snack machine does have a card reader. We're going to try to get a card reader on the soda machine soon, but we're not in a rush. This is just showing y'all what's in there. Two things did sell out in 4 days, so we are extremely proud. Thank y'all for checking out this video.